Good afternoon, Professor. I want to share with you some thoughts. I wanted to do it during the class, but I didn't find the opportunity. So I want to prove the theorem we proved by, like we do it in Russia. Let's call this side as 4x. Make two parallel lines here. In order to get x, 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 x here. And so because there is like x, x, x here, it's, for example, y, y, y here in structure like this. I mean, like this, some sort of like an angle and a series of parallel sides. We used a theorem called Fales theorem, which states this stuff. I'm not sure that it's popular in the United States, but it can easily be done also by using similar triangles. There are similar triangles, a lot of, I mean, for example, like this and this. That's why it's x, x, or like a middle line here. So it's a lot of properties here, but I think it's far more interesting to use this approach because we can some sort of use this theorem thrice. Once to get x, another one to get x is here, and another one to prove this stuff. I think it's very, I don't know, like very, very smart decision to use it. The next one, I know that if in Venn diagram, for example, you have a like set A and set B inside, B, if B inside A, it means that B is some sort of like a part of A. So B is inside A. So B for sure, it's a part of A. So I didn't like the Venn diagram we used, and during the lecture, my wife found this one. I think it's far more interesting because, as I said, a trapezoid cannot be inside parallelogram if we use geometry, I mean normal way. So I think this diagram is much more interesting, and the kite here has good property. I mean, we have like two approaches, right? Of determination of trapezoid. Yeah. So if two sides are parallel, but another two sides are not parallel, and just two sides are parallel, you said, and I also think like this. So it's not good, this description, because in this case, trapezoid becomes parallelogram, just like with the extra two parallel sides. But you know that this approach has a lot of problems with properties. So it's not good that properties of this trapezoid doesn't work here. I mean, don't work here. So we should do something like this. So trapezoid shouldn't be, parallelogram shouldn't be side trapezoid. So it must be different circles. Like in this diagram, I like it much more that in our class. And the final, I wanted to share, like, I don't know, like maybe ask, maybe share about this equation. I don't like such approach because I found it strange. It shouldn't be here. I see no difference in these equations. For example, put x minus 16, it works, right? Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. Put x equals minus 16, it works. So I have no idea why there is plus minus. It just do nothing in real numbers. I mean, if we have imaginary numbers, yeah, it does. So this equation in this form have this answer. I'm sorry, what? I'm so sorry, yeah, of course. I'm so stupid. I mean 4 and minus 4, yeah, it works. Mm-hmm. Stupid twice. Um, it's 2 and minus 2, it works good. Yeah, this. And also for this, but it's also problem with this mm, expression. As I understand, I don't know, like, have we, do we, like, I mean, what, I mean, I see no point to have minus here in this notation. It's very strange. This notation is good. If we want to add another before, like the answer and this notation, we can use this stuff. Of course, and square root of 4 will be just 2, not plus minus 2, just 2. I see no point to have some notation. I mean, I've seen it in the United States, but I see a lot of problems with it because, for example, if I want to, I know, I mean, if I have this notation, I see a problem to use it because it must be a function, so it must have only one value. If it has two value, how can we use it? For example, if I want to buy, so for example, I don't know, like L feet of wire, what should I buy, 8 or 4? I know that there are some concepts like this, but I think that in school it has a lot of, I mean, it gives more problem than give advantages. So I found this notation, as I remember, right? It was like this in our lecture. Very strange. I don't know. It looks. I don't know. Maybe you can explain something here for me. Maybe I don't understand something. I will be happy to hear something here if I just don't know. Have a good. I don't know. Like have a good day. Thank you.